Welcome back to another video. This is a quick one as I've started offering a free service of about an hour's work. I'm offering it to people in need in the town I live in. The person who lives here has health conditions and works a lot, so doesn't get time to do the garden. When you're working and have health conditions, it's going to be very hard to find the time and energy to do your garden. As you can see, it's very overgrown and there's lots of ivy coming out of the bottom of the hedge onto the public footpath. So I've done my best to clear it for him. This is not only better for him to see when he's leaving and returning to his home, but it is also nicer for his neighbors and the public to walk past. So as you can see, I'm quite a charitable person as I like helping people in need. The Sands t-shirt I'm wearing is a charity that helps families with stillbirths and miscarriages. Please support them if you can. So I'm just trying to tidy up his hedge a bit so he can actually see the world out of his windows. Now I'm going to cut his grass just to tidy it up. I only offer an hour to avoid it costing me too much in fuel and time. All I ask for in return is recommendations and a review on my Google profile. I think that is a fair trade for people in need. It helps them get their garden tidied up and also helps me expand my business. I would like to spend all day tidying his garden front and back, but it's just not beneficial for me to work all day for free, unfortunately. So I give them a solid hour and try to tackle the main parts of the garden, which to me is mainly hedges and grass. Just cutting these gives it a much more tidy look for everyone. So I cut the patch out the front too, which is actually the council's responsibility. Unfortunately, over the years the council seem to be doing less and less of these areas. As you can see, spending an hour has completely changed his garden. And hopefully as we go into the colder months he won't need to worry too much about it growing back quickly. Lovely jubbly. Hope you enjoyed the video and please like and subscribe.
My life is not an easy dose. I'm smacking bats on your knee when you feel my pops. I'm making your demons cross. How can you hurt me? The amount that I damage myself. I'm just immune to it, G. You need to better